डिअर स्टुडंट, ज्ञान विज्ञान आणि सुसंस्कार यासाठी शिक्षण प्रसार परमपूज्य डॉक्टर बापूजी साळुंखे, श्री स्वामी विवेकानंद शिक्षण संस्था कोल्हापूर and स्वामी रामानंद भारती विद्या मंदिर तासगाव. Our principal is Mr. V.S. Patil sir. He is the ideal headmaster, and I am P.D. Chavan sir. Today we are going to teach you the remaining part of the story, the boy who broke the bank. Last period we have know about some information. The Nathu and his friend Sitaram, Mrs. Srivastav, Mrs. Bhushan and her husband and Dipchand. Now today we are going to learn. Here is the passage. With one side of his steel N7, he sped across the road to the general merchant's store where there was a telephone. He dialed Seth Govindram's number. The Seth was not at home. Where was he? Then the Seth was holidaying in Kashmir. Oh, was that so? Now we look here. Here is the one gentleman, and gentleman is the main part of the story. Now, with one side of his neck, still N7. N7 म्हणजे राहिलेला भाग, दाढी करण्याचा राहिलेला भाग. With one side of his neck, still N7, त्याची अर्धवट राहिलेली दाढी, तशीच he sped across the road to the general merchant's store where there was a telephone. He means gentleman. He sped across the road to the general merchant's store. त्याने तिथून अशी धाव घेतली की तो कुठं गेलेला आहे. देयर इज दी जनरल मर्चंट्स स्टोअर. इथे किराणा मालाचं दुकान आहे आणि या किराणा मालाच्या दुकानात तू गेलाय कशासाठी? व्हाय? टू कॉल टू टेलिफोन दी सेठ गोविंदराम. व्हेअर देअर वॉज अ टेलिफोन. सो द जेंटलमॅन went towards the general merchant's store because he want to call Seth Govindram. He dialed Seth Govindram's number, and then after that he means the gentleman dialed his phone or call Seth Govindram number. The Seth was not at home. Seth Govindram was not at home. Seth Govindram was the owner of Pimple Nagar's bank, and the gentleman also called to the Seth Govindram for inquiry of this bank. Where he was he? Then Seth was holidaying in Kashmir. Oh, was that so? Where was he then? मग घरी नाही, मग कुठे आहे? The Seth was holidaying in Kashmir. काश्मीर मध्ये सुट्टीचं किंवा पर्यटनासाठी हा सेठ गोविंदराम गेलेला आहे. ओ वॉज दॅट सो? अरे असे आहे काय? अशा पद्धतीनं इन दिस वे द जेंटलमॅन थिंक and after that the elderly gentleman did not believe it. Here is the you see, elderly gentleman did not believe it. And believe means विश्वास ठेवणे. त्या वयस्कर ग्रस्तांनी या ग्रस्तांचा यावरती विश्वास बसला नाही. He hurried means very quickly, in a very short time. He hurried back to the barber's shop and he returned back to the barber's shop where he was cutting his hair and told the Dipchan. Dipchan was the owner of the saloon or the barber's shop, and the gentleman told to the Dipchan, what? The bird has flown away. The bird has flown away means the Seth Govindram has run away. Pakshi उडून गेला. Seth Govindram has left town. In this way, he is absent in the town. Seth Govindram is absent in the town. Definitely, surely, 100%, it means collapse. याचाच अर्थ बँक बुडालेली आहे. And then he dashed out of the shop, making a beeline for his office and checkbook. Beeline means straight, न कुठं थांबता, सरळ. And then त्यानंतर he dashed out of the shop, the barber's shop, to leave the barber's shop and making a beeline for his office and checkbook आणि घेऊन तो सरळ आपल्या असणाऱ्या ऑफिस मध्ये The news spread through the bazaar with the rapidity of the forest. For general merchants it travelled to the shop, circulate among the customers and then spread with them in various directions. For the betel seller, the tailor, the free vendor, the jeweler, the beggar sitting on the pavement. Now look here, there is the news. What is the news? Which is the news? Seth Govindram run away from the town. The news spread through the bazaar. You say bazaar or in a market. सगळ्या with the rapidity of forest fire. Forest means जंगल, fire वनवा. जसा जंगलामध्ये in very quickly, very immediately, जसा जंगलामध्ये वनवा लागतो तशाच पद्धतीनं त्याच पद्धतीनं संपूर्ण बाजारामध्ये ही बातमी पसरली. From the general merchants, एका दुकानापासून, किरकोळ व्यापाऱ्यापासून, it travel means प्रवास करणे, to spread to the shop, circulate amongst the customers. Circulate amongst म्हणजे सर्वांच्या मध्ये, कस्टमर सर्व गिरायकामध्ये वनव्यासारखी बातमी पसरली. अँड देन स्प्रेड विथ देम इन व्हेरियस डिरेक्शन. सर्व दिशाने या असणाऱ्या बातमीचा फैलाव झाला. टू दी बिटल सेलर, पानपट्टीवाले, द टेलर, शिंपी, द फ्री वेंडर, विक्रेते, द ज्वेलर, सोनार, the beggar sitting on the pavement. Here is the beggar sitting on the pavement. Pavement means footpath, footpath means पदपाथ. या असणाऱ्या पदपाथ वरती जो असणारा भिकारी बसलेला होता त्याला सुद्धा ही बातमी समजली. Which is the news? The news is the Pimpalnagar bank was collapsed and its owner, Seth Govindram, was run away from the town. Old Ganpat the beggar had a crooked leg. He had been squatting on the pavement for years. Calling for alms, in the evening someone would come with a barrow and take him away. Here is the, you look, here is the Ganpat. Ganpat was a beggar. Beggar is a very poor man and he calling money or extra to the customers. Old Ganpat Old Ganpat the beggar had a crooked leg. Crooked means bend. Bend means curved. Curved म्हणजे वाकलेले. Had a crooked leg. The Ganpat was a beggar and he has a crooked leg. He had been squatting on the pavement for years. कित्येक दिवस हा त्या असणाऱ्या पदपाथ वरती खाली बसून भीक मागत असे. In the evening some would come with a barrow and take him away. At that time, night or the evening time, someone come there and would come with a barrow and take him away. संध्याकाळी कोणीतरी दुचाकीवरती हातगाडी घेऊन येत असे आणि त्याला घेऊन जात असे. He had never been known to walk, but now on learning that the bank was about to collapse, Ganpat astonished everyone, leaping to his feet and actually running at top speed. Running at top speed in the direction of the bank. It soon became known that he had 1,000 rupees in saving. Look here, very interesting story written by the Ruskin Bond. He had, means the Ganpat had never been known to walk. Never been known to walk. त्यांना सगळ्यांनी म्हणजे त्यांना कधीही कुणीही चालताना पाहिलेलं नाही. नेवर बीन नोन टू वॉक. बट नाऊ आफ्टर at that time, on learning that the bank was about to collapse, to understand that, to hear that, to overhear that the bank was about to collapse. Collapse means destroyed, बुडाली, नाहीशी झाली, उद्ध्वस्त झाली. The bank, which bank? Pimpalnagar's bank. Who is the owner of this bank? Seth Govindram. And here is the Natu is a sweeper boy. And in this way, this is the news here by the Ganpat, and he Ganpat astonished to wonderful, आश्चर्यचकित होणे everyone. Ganpat astonished everyone, leaping to his feet and actually running at the speed in the direction of the bank. गणपत आश्चर्यचकित लोकांना केलं. गणपत astonished everyone, leaping. Leap means to jump. To jump means उड्या मारणे. To his feet, पायावरती उभा राहून उड्या मारत and actually running at the top speed. Top speed चांगली असणारी गती किंवा जोरात वेगात तो त्या असणाऱ्या बँकेच्या दिशेने पळत सुटला. डिरेक्शन ऑफ द बँक. हु इज द गणपती? हु वॉज गणपत? गणपत वॉज अ बेगर and he was a he had a curved leg. It soon became known that he had 1,000 rupees saving, and that the reason is know that he had 1,000 rupees in savings in the Pimple Nagar bank. In this way, the Ganpat's reaction about the news and men stood in groups at street corners discussing the situation. Pimple Nagar seldom had a crisis, seldom or never had floods, earthquakes or droughts, and the imminent crash of the Pimple Nagar bank set everyone talking and speculating and rushing about the